Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 3.4% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
US stocks sold off for a second straight session, and the Nasdaq Composite confirmed it was in correction territory after a soft jobs report stoked fears of an oncoming recession. The Labour Department said non-farm payrolls increased by 114,000 jobs last month, well short of the 175,000 average forecast. Oil prices fell to end last week, settling at their lowest since January after data showed the US economy added fewer jobs than expected last month, and Chinese economic data added more pressure. The US dollar dropped to a 4-month low on Friday after a weaker than expected employment report for July raised expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates by 50 basis points in September as the economy sours.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's Producer Price Index will be released at 9 GMT. The US ISM Services Employment Index at 14 GMT, the UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23.01 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 14 GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23.30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0.30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.